Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you enjoy the content, please take a second underneath the video to give it a thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. It's that simple thumbs up. Okay, today I'm really excited because I got no notifications at all, but I did get an email from Boxycharm giving almost a warning about one of the products that are going to be in the premium box at Boxycharm January 2021. So all of a sudden, very early, there was, the bell went off and the doorbell that there was a delivery. And I said, I'm really not expecting anything. I don't know what this is. So it ended up being a Boxycharm premium box. And I even went on to check to see if I have any tracking or anything, and I didn't have anything. So guys, you might get a pleasant surprise that your premium box, if you get it from Boxycharm, it might just arrive without sending any tracking information. So it's a good surprise. All right, so we got the card. We got everything in the box that was in the card. I do get two premiums on my channel. When I get the second one, there's probably going to be a duplicate item for sure. That OFRA palette, that's the one that I know I was really excited about. And it was ironic because I was on the OFRA website during Christmas because they were running such fantastic deals. And then someone gave a sneak peek that this OFRA palette was going to be in there. So I didn't end up getting anything from OFRA during Christmas. And it ended up being exactly what the sneak peek was real. And we ended up getting it in the premium box. So if I do get the second one, there will be a future giveaway or gift or something that I'm going to do in reference to that, because that is what I'm really excited about with the premium. Okay. I'm also going to read some stuff at the end because I'm not sure if everyone is familiar with it, but I did do some looking around after I received this Boxycharm email about this product that there seems to be a little bit of controversy, and it's called Summer Fridays. It's called the Jet Lag Mask, and it's supposed to be a hydration mask. This is the box that it came in, and this is the tube that's inside. So what's written here on the card about this is that it says, life's turbulence means that we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Use as a nightly mask or a daytime moisturizer or an in-flight lifesaver. It is a multitasking, nourishing vitamins with ceramides and antioxidants to leave your skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. And this is a $48 value. And like I said, I'm going to read to you what came from Boxycharm, the email, and then some other research that I did in reference to this product. The next item is the one that I was really excited about, and this is from OFRA. And that's what this looks like here. And it's called Goods to Go. And if you haven't seen this yet, it is so beautiful. It comes with a safety shield, and it says, "Smile, you are beautiful" on the top. And those are the gorgeous, there's a shield. And then these are the gorgeous colors that came with it. It is beyond stunning. I love the OFRA highlighters, so I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try some of their shadows, their blushes, and their bronzer. So this to me was the type of palette that I was looking for on their website during Christmas. And then I could not believe this was going to be in our boxes. This on its own, there's a special deal with Boxycharm where it's a $39 value as the retail. I didn't see anything on their site during Christmas that was around that number. But I also know during the add-ons, it was even less than the $39, which is insane. So this says it is the Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. They're saying if you manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm, I'm so excited to show this to you guys, warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, features OFRA's best-selling highlighter, and all of the lights. This lightweight magnet or interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. So, oh wow, there's these little areas here like this where you can pop the actual product out and then do replacements. So if you don't like any of these colors, we could probably go on their website and then just fill it in, and you get to keep the palette almost like as if it's a Z palette. Really, really excited. I didn't know that. Okay, that's that. Then the next item that we got is from Laura Mercier. And the Laura Mercier was, I think, my choice. And the choice items for me for the premium this past month, I remember I was excited about one and then I really didn't know what to do about the other. This is what I ended up choosing. And it is the Caviar Eye Stick color. It comes in the full retail box. The color that I chose is Sunbeam, which is this color here at the end. And it says it's a creamy eyeshadow stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant for a long-lasting finish. And the reason I went with the lightest color was I figured worst case scenario, I could put this on in the corner of my eyes, or I could wear it as my all over primer, eyeshadow primer. And this type of coloring I think would be perfect for that. So this is a $29 value. The next item is one that I've already had the opportunity to try. So this is probably going to go in a future gift. And this is from Wren. It is the Clean Skin Perfect Canvas Clean Gel Oil Cleanser, and I think I received this in a Trend Mood box when I was getting at the beginning when it was a little bit easier for me to get the boxes. And this says it is a clean jelly oil cleanser. It's clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup. It's FPF and it removes waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. The 100% naturally derived formula shifts 3 times while you cleanse, starting as a jelly and then shifting into an oil and then to a milk to gently melt away dirt, makeup, pollution for a soft cleanse finish. And this is a $32 value. I am not a lover of this product. I did love the gel consistency. I did like how it turned into an oil, and I did like how it turned into that milk. I thought it was a very unique product, but I didn't feel it took off my makeup well enough. So to wear it just as a cleanser, I enjoyed it more than everything else that they mentioned. Please leave in the comments down below if you've had an opportunity to use this product. I would love to know your feedback on it to know if it differs from mine. The next item that I received was from Fenty, and I was really excited to get this as well. And this is the Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara. It comes in the full retail box, and then it looks so much like the Anastasia Beverly Hills packaging. This one is designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look. The Full Frontal Lightweight Ultra Black formula was specifically paired with an exclusive flat to fat brush. The fat side holds the Max product to quickly load and lift your lashes, and the flat side defines and curls. So it sounds more similar to the outside packaging to Anastasia Beverly Hills, but the inside brush sounds very similar to the Charlotte Tilbury's new mascara, which I absolutely adore. So let's take a look at this wand and see what they're talking about. This is a little different than even the Charlotte Tilbury one. The bristles are far longer, and but I love this whole. It's completely different. The Charlotte Tilbury one, it has almost like no bristles in the flat area, so you use that to comb, not even comb through, to almost place the formula on your lashes, and then you twist it to the brush side to actually pull the product through your lashes. This is completely different. So I love unique brushes. So we're going to definitely give this one a whirl and see what it's all about. Very excited about that. And that is a $24 value. And then the next item that we got in here is from PMD. And this is the SilverPure Makeup Removing Cloth. And the PMD, I think, was that, I think we received it in the past as a tool that had like the little silicone, not even bristles, like bumps on it to help massage the cleanser on your face. So this is, I think, from that brand as well. So this says, get back to your pure self with SilverPure. This removes makeup and washes your skin with antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end of your day. And this is a $30 value. So to me, it looks like the makeup eraser, but this one says it's infused with silver, but it's a microfiber makeup remover cloth. So we'll definitely give this a whirl and see what that's all about. So now let's get into this product with what the information that came down. And it was, I didn't see anybody open up the premium boxes, so I'm not sure if this confused me, and that's why, you know, we share on the channel, and I want to make sure that you guys share in the comments if you've had the opportunity to try this product yet. But the letter that they wrote that came in the email was a little confusing to me. They're saying, we at Summer Fridays, and this came through the Boxycharm emails, and it says, we at Summer Fridays, which is the name of this brand, are carefully monitoring recent community feedback, citing temporary redness and irritation experienced by some customers when using this jet lag mask. They deeply regret any discomfort or inconvenience caused by this issue, and they are confident that the use of this product does not pose any threat to your health or your safety of their customers. We have worked with the manufacturer and testing laboratories and an independent chemist to conduct a thorough investigation into the cause and have determined that certain production batches at a third-party manufacturing site were compromised. So to me, that doesn't sound like they should even be putting this in the box, number one. And number two is it didn't say anywhere in here which batch numbers and things like that. So this was probably already set up to be in the boxes, and then this information, they're kind of acting like it happened after, you know, 1 million of these boxes or 500,000 of these boxes, or even how many premiums, I don't know, went out. So they're saying to address the issue, they have implemented the following steps. And the following steps sounds like what they're planning on doing in the future. It has nothing to do with the actual product that's in the box. It says they have established a new, more stringent manufacturing protocol using OTC level guidelines to ensure each step in the manufacturing process is carefully monitored and checked for full compliance and adherence to their high standards. Well, that should have been done, as far as I'm concerned, if you're making skincare, period. And then it says we are developing a minor reformulation, including removal of essential oils that serve to mitigate any future potential for irritation while still delivering the result you look for this jet lag. While a number of reports that they've received regarding this jet lag mask represents a small percentage of users, well, a lot of us didn't get our boxes yet prior to this letter going out. It says it wants to operate with the abundance of caution. It is their recommendation that you patch test the product you received in your Boxycharm box on your jawline or behind your ear prior to using it. I would suggest behind your ear. It is normal to experience a cooling sensation when applied. And I know one of the ingredients in here said peppermint oil, and that can cause some people, I know, some that cooling effect as well as some redness. It says, but if you experience any unexpected reaction, and they don't say what that reaction is, please rinse off and discontinue use. If you have any further questions or need assistance, just reach out to Boxycharm and they'll be here to assist you. We very much value the charmer community and appreciate your understanding and hope we continue to have your trust and support. XOXO Summer Fridays. So I decided I wasn't going to go into the Boxycharm area for the reviews because, as I've mentioned to you in the past, a lot of people, when they do the reviews on Boxycharm, it's really just to get their points so they can access free products. So a lot of times you'll see, 5 stars, and when you read the reviews, they go, just got it in my box, haven't tried it yet, so on and so forth. So I went to Sephora, and this had over 3,000 reviews. And on these reviews, they had close to 4 stars across the board. And I was looking for some of the negative, but I was also went from the most recent down. And it seemed to be the positive feedback. So unless they made a different batch for Boxycharm to meet a price point versus the products that's in Sephora, I would like to have known that in the Boxycharm letter. They're saying it is good for normal, oily, combination, dry, or sensitive skin. They're saying it's a hydration cream. It's supposed to be good for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. They're saying it is clean at Sephora. They're also saying that there was an independent study with 31 women aged 27 to 65. They're saying 96% of them showed softer skin within 30 minutes of use. 92 subjects showed more hydration and moisturization skin 8 hours after use. And 90% of the subjects showed healthier looking, feeling skin after 8 hours of use. And like I said, I went through all of the reviews, and I suggest you guys do that too. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a second one of these in my second box. So right now I'm going to leave this aside. I'm going to try to do a little bit more research. I'm going to also watch to see if anyone else received their boxes and what their feedback was on this. But if I do receive a second one, I will play around with the first one to do tests and all that. However, with that said, everybody's skin is different. Everyone, you can have a reaction to a product that I could tell you is my favorite product, and you can say, you know, it caused you to break out, it caused skin irritation. Everybody's chemistry within their own body is different. So like I said, I just wanted to give you guys the heads up if you didn't receive the email. But like I said, everyone has to do a little bit of their own research. I decided to go on Sephora to see it. It seemed to be more positive than negative. I would assume, you know, Boxycharm also did their research, and I'm sure some girls in the office had to have tried the product before they would decide to put it in the box. So I really would like to have a little bit more information from Boxycharm for them to say that now that they're changing their standards of their third-party manufacturing, that has to be done prior to you even, you know, develop a product as well as, you know, receive the inventory from that product. So I would just love to know what your thoughts are on this. Like I said, this email came before my box, and then I tried to go on to see if anybody got this product in their boxes, and I only saw a couple of people that got some PR packages. And when the PR packages come, I don't know if everyone has the chance to, you know, try the products and get their own feel on it. But like I said, everybody's body's chemistry is different. So if you've had the opportunity to receive this product and you chose to use it, did you do the patch test? What results did you have? You know, a lot of times when I put skincare on, my face gets a little red and then it calms down. And that's just because you're, you know, manipulating your skin. So like I said, I'd love to know your feedback on the Summer Friday. I'd love to know if you had the opportunity, if you got the Wren product, what your feedback was on that, if it differs from mine. I am so excited to have the opportunity to try the OFRA palette. Like I said, their highlighters are fantastic, and it looks like there's a lot of different colors in here. And now I'll have the opportunity to try some of their shadows, blushes, and bronzers, so I'm excited about that. A makeup remover cloth is always fun to get. The unique brush in the Fenty, I think, is fun. And a Laura Mercier product, you can't go wrong. So I do think this box is a winner box, even if there's a couple of products in here for me that I'm, you know, on the fence about. But the value is always there. And that's what these boxes are all about. They're about discovering new products. And there's enough new products in here that I feel I got my $35 worth. But I would love to know how you feel. And that's it for today. All right. So once again, as always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose it to spend it with me and to share it within the comments so that we have our own little community on True Wants and we're able to give each other the feedback. It might be my voice and my face that you see, but I get a lot of information from you guys and I love that open communication. As always, during this time, it's really important that everybody during this time continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye-bye and take care for now.